diversity tool. Part 2 on demolition, reconstruction. I bought this house in Florida, and a lot of the material that I used to maintain this house or to improve it came from Fort Lauderdale out of a dumpster. One year I was working at the corporate center on Broward Boulevard, and they were doing a lot of construction in that building. And I remember passing by the dumpster, and I thought, oh my goodness, look at all this material. I just need to get it home. And I loaded up my van, maybe 2 or 3 days, just taking stuff home. And I was able to get some, I wanted a chain link fence around my house, and also a wooden fence. So the front part of the house, I put a chain, the whole property had a chain link fence before I was done around it. And the poles on this fence, or 80% of these poles on this fence are electrical poles. I got out the dumpster. I used them to make a chain link fence with them. Had to dig a hole and get them where they would stand straight up, because these poles at the bottom, they had a curve to them where they had electrical wires running through it and connected where they had them connected. But I dug a hole and got them in place and used them for my chain link fence. The gate on this fence, at the bottom here, are small electrical poles. I just took my pole bender and bent the bottom of them to finish off this fence, because it wasn't high enough. And when I actually bought the gates, and my fence wasn't high enough. I wanted it. I think I had a 6 or 7 foot fence here, but the gates were not long enough. So I took my electrical poles and bent them at the bottom to finish, to give me the length I wanted, and added the fence to that. If you look real closely, you can probably see the little electrical connectors at the bottom of that fence. Have my frame up, got my drawer up, everything. It's not perfect, but it's functionable. And my serving window here. I got my wall cut out here, and I got it framed, and made some shutter doors out of drywall. Cheapest route. I was asked to design a flip-up countertop for the other half of this, so this flip down not in use, so still have the space in this area. So I just took some hinges and some 1x6s and put a board across the bottom here. This simply slides into place and holds it up on both sides. So I'm going to take and make sure my drywall is going to fit. So I had to cut back on at least halfway on these studs. These outer studs here, to make sure drywall is going to fit in there, because it's not even where I cut it out. So just going to touch it up some. Okay, my other board is going to be slightly smaller than the one that's in the inside, so this one I need to go 38.5. It's going all the way down. Okay, let me get my 81.5. 81.5, be about there. Get my 38 across. Here. Take my T-square. Put it there. Good, ready to go here. Okay, somebody's not sitting. Let's see what's going on. I think we're good. Got some hose. Okay, here I already got this panel on. This is where the door was, and I'm resealing this hole where the door was. Diversity tool, that takes care of my demolition construction project, DIY do it yourself, save a lot of money project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.